How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. This tutorial shows you how to download your edited TikTok videos directly to your phone before sharing them. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new video. Following that, record your video or upload content from your gallery. Now, add any effects, filters, text, stickers, or music you want to your video. Moving forward, once you're done editing, tap Next in the bottom right corner. Afterwards, you'll be taken to the post screen where you can add a caption and settings. In addition to that, instead of posting, look for the Drafts option at the bottom. Once there, tap on Save to Drafts to save your edited video without posting it. Subsequently, your video will be saved to your TikTok Drafts folder. Moreover, to save the draft to your gallery, go back to your profile by tapping the profile icon. After that, tap on the Drafts section below your profile information. Then, find the draft you want to save and tap on it to open. Within the draft viewer, tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner. Alternatively, look for the Download or Save Video option in the menu. Once you tap it, TikTok will save the video with all your edits directly to your device's gallery. Then, you can access the saved video in your Gallery app under the TikTok folder or Downloads. And that's it. If this draft saving guide helped you keep your TikTok creations, leave a like, subscribe for more TikTok editing tips, and hit the bell icon to stay notified. See you in the next one.